In 1898, Ernest Rutherford was a very interested man in radioactivity. He partnered up with Harriet Brooks and began a series of investigations and discovered that the nucleus of some isotopes spontaneously broke or decayed. Radioisotopes are radioactive atoms that slowly decay into smaller atoms or subatomic particles and release energy and other particles. Ernest Rutherford was born in New Zealand in 1871. Two ways that radioactive isotopes can really benefit in the medicine industry can be with radioactive tracers and radiometric dating. A very common radioactive isotope that's used for radiometric dating is carbon-14. It is also known as carbon-14 dating. When an organism is alive, it has an equal ratio of carbon-12 to carbon-14 as it does in the atmosphere, in the outside atmosphere, right? When an organism dies, it carries the same amount of carbon-12. However, carbon-14 begins to decay in a predictable rate that scientists are able to use in certain equations and can figure out its half-life and can determine how long this organism has been alive or dead for. Radioactive isotopes emit lots of radiation as they decay, and so for that reason their location can be easily identified using a photographic device. A great example of radioactive trackers would be for the thyroid. Okay, so what would happen is that you would intake a small quantity of iodine 131, and what happens, it begins to emit radiation. What is done is that later scans are made from this area and it's detected on how much radiation is emitted. If there's a moderate amount, it means that you're good. If there's too much, it could be harmful. If there's, by any chance, too little, it could also be harmful to you. And then in that case, they would know that that's the issue, and then they would start taking action for operations, for medicine, or for many other things to fix that problem. So yes, isotopes are extremely helpful for science and for everyday use. However, at the same time, you have to take great caution and make sure that it's used wisely and safely.